Like, if you're saying that it is or not, it's like, that is getting in. Stayed in the shower with me. Do you know what actually irritated me though?
He stayed in the shower. Who?
Yusuf, I swear this morning, I was so, like,
Wait,
I wasn't mad.
I don't understand. You were having your bath.
I swear. Wait, let me tell you now. I was having my bath and I was alone. And then Angel wanted to shower. So like, well, she just explained now. She was like that he told her that he was after me.
It's just a week of the Big Brother Naija Season 6 Shine Your Eye show. And so many things are beginning to unravel inside the house. So many fights, so many gbasgbos, love triangle, and some kind of annoyance. One or two persons are kind of getting this person's briefed, angry, and everything. Okay, let's go to what we have for you today. It's Irene. Irene was actually angry for some kind of reason that Yusuf saw her nakedness, saw her naked in the bathroom. Wow.
Blah blah, and I was, but then the thing is though, I had already seen him staring at me from the house. Like I just looked up and I saw him staring at me. Then he walked away. Then Angel came and everything else happened. Then he came then Angel came in. Then he came in after Angel. But like, do you know what I was irritated about? He was wearing his briefs. Why are you wearing your briefs?
I stayed
He showered.
And you were naked.
Fully. I would have.
You people are just 1 week and you're already talking about nakedness. How? But trust me, guys, as I said earlier on, things are actually happening inside the house. She was very angry because she was like, she was beating and then she didn't really know. He just came in and then he saw her nakedness. And another thing that really pained her the most, was that he was putting on his own brief, like his own shokoto, his own boxers, that he was not naked. And I mean, it was like he was naked, saying, okay, yes, I see your own nakedness, you two see my own nakedness, nothing spoil inside, it's 1-1, not 1-0. Now, now the way it is 1-0, and she was really bitter and she was complaining to Saga and Nini. I'm like, oh, okay, calm down. Sorry. More of your nakedness will be seen. You know what you signed up for, so I don't think it should be vexing you. Even the guy to want to feed his ass. When people are wearing this string, you are wearing bikini, you are wearing ole, nipple closed up, you are wearing you don't know that the boy will want to see. You don't know you will do his thing to be standing and the boy will want to do the do. What do you mean? You self, you should know now you are physically and beautifully and figuratively endowed. Okay, guys, here is another one. I don't know what's all about the whole nakedness too, because Maria also came up complaining.
Maria. So I looked in the fucking mirror, because you can look, right? Miss. And he was looking, and I didn't know what to say to him. My heart was like, my whole fucking blood was pumping. I didn't know what to say to him. I said, I'm gonna be a fucking minute, do you mind? He's just like, Maria, and he looked away. In my head, I was like, you've seen me fucking naked, and in real life, you would never see me fucking naked. Not you, definitely not. So it's just, I was so.
She was complaining to Pere that she didn't like what Earrings did. That she was beating, he was just standing behind. He was now peeping like window shopping and be shuffling and looking at her, and she was really naked. She was back and immediately she just turned and he's like, hi, like why you. So she was vexed and she wasn't very, very happy that why would he have to do that. Okay, now in her watch she's like, he's not my friend, so I have nothing to do with him. He's just so annoying. I don't like, why would really have such a character, such an attitude. Auntie, you knew what you signed up for. As even a fine girl that you are, everybody want to see fair things. So they want to know whether he's sweet down there or he's fine down there, so that they will know how to come and approach you or do the do. Or even if they cannot do the do, or if they cannot come and approach you, at least they will feed their eyes. It's still not okay. Okay, guys, this has been the whole saga on the nakedness issue. But I believe the housemates should know whatsoever they had signed up for. It's a show. So you cannot just keep two matured minds inside the house, locked down for 3 good months, for over 3 months, without anything happening, my dear. Body no be firewood. Girls, you guys should understand that also. When people are wearing bikini, wear this, wear that, you don't know. Sure, you don't know that you turn them on, yeah, you turn them off, you turn them off and on. Sure, you don't know before. Now they are seeing nakedness. They want to see breast. They want to know the size. What is the size that they like, so that they will come for it. Okay, guys. Yeah, we go. It's still your number one favorite YouTube channel, Niger News and Entertainment. We're still locking it down. We're still locking up. We're still locking together. Guys, it still remain the Big Brother Niger Season 6 Shine Your Eye show. And I'm here to give you the latest and the fullest gist in town. Please, if you're watching my video for the very first time, do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to like, comment, share, and turn on your notification bell, please, so you get alerts, you get notifications as I drop in new content. Until next time, stay glued. Bye.